This question is from GATE 2013, Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 53. In orthogonal turning of a bar of 100 mm, diameter with a feed of 0.25 mm per revolution, depth of cut of 4 mm and cutting velocity of 90 meter per minute, it is observed that the main tangential cutting force is perpendicular to the friction force, acting at the chip tool interface. The main tangential cutting force is 1500 Newton. The normal force acting at the chip tool interface in Newton is dash. Let's see how this is found out. Now it is given that cutting force is perpendicular to the friction force. In the question number 52 of same year 2012 GATE, we have discussed how rake angle is found out. That is alpha, which comes out to be 0 degree when the cutting force and friction force are perpendicular to each other. So for this calculation, you can refer the question number 52. This is a linked question to this question number 53. So now there are two methods to find out the normal force. N. One is by using the relationship Fc cos alpha minus Ft sin alpha. We have all the values. If we just put it here, we have cutting force is 1500 into cos 0 degree. We don't have this force Ft, but sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree becomes 0 and therefore we don't require Ft to calculate N. Finally, N will be 1500 into 1, which is 1500 Newton. This is one way of doing it, or we can refer to the figure as well. So in this figure, we can see that the tool is placed such that rake angle is 0 degree and therefore cutting force is perpendicular to the friction force. This is the friction force F. These two are perpendicular. So already Fc is perpendicular to Ft because this is orthogonal cutting, and therefore this is a rectangle that is formed. Normal force is always perpendicular to F, friction force. So in this rectangle we see Fc and N are the opposite sides and therefore they will be equal in magnitude. And so from the figure also we can write N will be equal to Fc, which will be 1500 Newton directly. Either you can use the relationship or you can use the diagram to find out normal force. Let's go back and mark the correct option. Normal force acting in the chip tool interface in Newton is option B, 1500. For further details on this topic, you can refer to the NPTEL video Lecture 6 Orthogonal and Oblique Cutting from the course Lecture Series on Manufacturing Processes 2 by Professor A.B. Chattopadhyay, Professor A.K. Chattopadhyay and Professor S. Paul. They are from Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Kharagpur. I hope the solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.